permitted the government to complete, conduct and effectively hold the exam for standard 10th and 12th on the basis of the letter of the Ministry of Home Affairs, whereby the Honorable High Court has now cleared the way for successfully completing the SSC examination, and there is no legal impediment in now holding the examination. And the stand of the government that it is right and it is proper for the benefit and for the students community to hold these exams at this stage has been vindicated by today's order of the High Court, and High Court has disposed of the petitions without granting any relief to them, and that is a great success to the government of Goa. MHA has permitted holding of SSC and 12th examinations in the state of Goa. So on their part, there was no reservation on the part of the MHA on this count. That order, in view of state government, and our understanding is that it does not mention anything over the examination. At no point of time or at no place in that order, examination of any sort is prohibited, and that is our interpretation of that order. And on the basis of that, we had proceeded to hold this examination. Neighboring students from the neighboring states are concerned. We have told the High Court that we have made arrangements for these students in their respective states, and there are 4 centers in Maharashtra and 2 centers in Karnataka, which will be holding these exams for these students which are out of state, and that no teacher or no personnel from Goa will have to go there. The teachers and personnel from that states will hold these exams. We had not asked for any special permission, but we had only requested that we are holding this examination, so please permit us to hold. And the MHA has passed an order saying that it is permitted.
Few intervention petition was filed. All were those for opposed, or they were in support?
All petitions were in support of the government. All intervention application, at least 9 to 10 schools. Then there are parents who had filed intervention to say this examination have to be conducted, and it was at the request of these students and their parents that these exams are being conducted, and the government was keen to hold this examination. The key arrangements which the government has made are there will be approximately 12 to 13 students in each class. There will be a proper safe distance kept between 2 students. Then there will be proper sanitization facilities, the classes and all the infrastructure there in the sub-centers would be provided with proper sanitization facilities. Toilets etc. will be sanitized properly in all schools in the interest of the students.
You had shared some photographs of today's examination.
Yes, we showed today 12th examination has already started at 9 o'clock, and it is going on smoothly, and there is proper safe distance that is being maintained, proper sanitization is being carried out, proper screening is being taken place. So we pointed out to the court that the state is well equipped to conduct these exams, and High Court has recorded that statement of the government that we are fully equipped and we are geared up to conduct these 10th exams also.
See, these are the cases filed challenging the decision of Government of Goa to hold examination, because the petitioners did not want the government to hold examination, so they wanted to postpone it. So basically the issue was about the safety of children etc. Initially, we as a central government, we were not the party to this petition, but yesterday the court felt that because the guidelines were issued by Ministry of Home Affairs, the court wanted us, the Ministry of Home Affairs, to be a party before the court and tell the court what is our stand. So accordingly, last night I took instructions from the Ministry of Home Affairs and I informed the court. But in the meantime, the Goa government also asked for permission to hold exams, and the ministry has considered it yesterday and taken a decision to permit the Goa government to conduct examination in view of the larger public interest and the student community of Goa. Because Goa government has wrote a letter saying that the SSC exam being a very important exam in the life of a student, their career. So that exam cannot be indefinitely postponed or it cannot be withheld. So therefore it was required for the government to hold this examination, and it was in the public interest also, students community's interest also. So accordingly we have appraised the court today that this is the decision taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, and the disaster management authority which is there under the Ministry of Home Affairs, they have given permission, they have exempted the state of Goa, and exams are permitted. So accordingly the court has decided the matter today. The order will be uploaded within 1 hour from now, and now there is no hindrance in holding examination. The Goa government can go ahead with the examination.
There was some students saying that what is the safety net they are taking, the government is taking the safety net.
See, Goa government has filed.
Only sanitize and it will all do. They are taking the responsibility. They were asking the question.
See, these are the issues which are to be left for the experts to decide, because as an individual, every person cannot give inputs in what manner the precautions are to be taken. But if any person wants to give any suggestions, this should be given to the government. Government, I am sure, will definitely consider these suggestions. As far as the safety measures to be taken while conducting examination by the government of Goa, the affidavit is filed before the court. The other day, 15th, also there was an affidavit filed. Yesterday also there is a issue, and today also state government has filed an affidavit giving a plan in what manner they are going to conduct the examination. We don't really see any reason to point out that there are some faults or something in the plan of the government of Goa. So according to me, the government has taken care of all these things, and whatever shortfalls were there are also the proper manner.